Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, in this session we are going to take some advanced level problems based on syllogisms. In the previous two sessions, I have discussed the basic problems based on syllogisms. I hope you might have revised the session before you are coming for this session. So let's begin to take the problems. Now let's take this problem. Here, statements are given. Some toys are pens. All the three statements are starting with some. Some toys are pens. Then some pens are papers. Then some papers are black. That means toys, pens, papers and black, all of them are interrelated, right? Now if we draw the Venn diagram, it will be unnecessary, a tedious, lengthy, time consuming process because we need to draw the diagram for four conditions, right? So instead just check up the conclusion and let's see what happens. The first thing is some toys are black, no pen is black, no toy is black and some pens are black. See, some toys are black and no toy is black, right? One of them will be true. Either some toys are black or no toy is black, though both of them simultaneously cannot be true. So either statement 1 and 3 is true. Then no pen is black and some pens are black. So among these two, second and fourth, one has to be true, right? Either no pen is black or some pen are black. So one of them, that is from one or third, one should be true, and no second and fourth, one should be true, right? So we have option C, that is either 1 or 3 and second or fourth is true. Getting my point? No need to draw the Venn diagram, just apply common sense because the problem is simple because all of them are starting with some, right? Toys are pens, then pens are papers, then papers are black. So precisely toys, pens, papers, all of them are interrelated. If we draw the Venn diagram, we have to draw the four Venn diagrams containing four circles, right? So that will be a time consuming process. So just see, some toys are black, no toy is black. So both of them simultaneously cannot be true, right? Because this is complementary to this. Okay, similarly, second is complementary of 4. So any one of first and third is true and any one of second and fourth is true. So this is option C. Okay, I hope you are clear. Now let's see this one. Some books are copies, all copies are green and some green are yellow. So some books are copies. Books, copies. Then all copies are green. All copies are green, right? Some green are yellow. Now this is a tedious statement that will lead us to draw for 3 to 4 Venn diagrams. So in just one Venn diagram, I show you the various possibilities. Just wait for a moment. Now just see carefully. Some green, yellow, some green, yellow and some green, yellow, right? So you can see the various possibilities of this sentence, this statement, right? Now let's go to the conclusion. Let's check that all copies are yellow. So that is not correct. Some yellow are green, yellow and green. So yes, we can in all the three possibilities we can see that some yellow is definitely green. In this case, or in this case. So this is okay. Some copies are yellow. So copies and yellow. See, there are various possibilities. In this possibility, copies and yellow, we have the combination. But in this possibility, copy and yellow, we don't have the we cannot say that, right? Because copy and yellow, there is no common portion. So it's always not true. All green are copies. All green are copies. That is absolutely not true. So some yellow are green. That is always true. So second only, that's correct. Okay. So I hope you are clear. Just watch it once again if you are not clear for the first time. Okay, and whatever the conclusion are true, that should be true for all the three diagrams. Okay, Now this one, here all chairs are tables, chairs, tables. No table is a book, so that means book is different. All tables are stones, all tables are stones. Now this condition can be there, or maybe this condition is there, right? Now the first conclusion, no chair is a book. No chair is a book. That is true in both the cases. Okay, even in this case and then this case. So that's true. No stone is a book. So here this is actually stone. So if we take this case, stone or stone and book, some common portion is there, and in this case stone and book, there is no common portion is there. So we cannot be so sure that whether no stone is a book or some stones are book. So we are not sure about it. Now some stones are book, the same thing, no stone is a book or some stones are book. Both these conclusions are not true in both the cases. So even it cannot be true in all the cases. All tables are chairs. See, all chairs are table. That means chair is a subset of table, but whether it is subset, proper subset, we can't say. So all tables are chair. It cannot be true. It may be true, may not be, right? So we cannot assume it to be true. Okay. So the statement, no chair is a book, that's true in every case. So only one. Okay. I hope you are clear. Now let's see this one. Some books are papers. Books, papers. Some papers are plastics. So there are two possibilities. I just draw both of them. This and this, right? So what is the difference between these two? Here some papers are plastic, but there is no relationship between books and plastic. But in this case some papers are plastic, but there is some relationship between books and plastic, both of them, right? So I draw this. Then no plastic is black. So the next element is introduced. So further there are various possibilities. No plastic is black. So maybe this is the condition. Maybe this is the condition. Maybe this is the condition. Or maybe this is the condition. Or maybe some other possibilities are there. So as of now we just proceed with conclusion. Let's see what happens. So if it is required, we'll see more possibilities. Some papers are not black. Now see, in this case some papers are black but some are not. That's perfectly true. Even in this case some papers are black but some are not. That is also true. In this case all of papers are not black. That means it is always true that that means some papers are at least not black. That is always true in all the four cases. So that's perfectly true. All papers are not black, that we cannot say. In this possibility some papers are black. In these two cases some papers are black. So always it's true that we cannot say. Now some papers are black. That is also not always true, because we can see the situation when there is no relationship between paper and black. So this is not always true. See this and this. Some papers are not black, some papers are black. So these two sentences you should be careful about them. See, some papers are not black. That's true in each and every case. But some papers are black. That is not true in each and every case. Okay. So if you are checking the conclusion, whatever the conclusion you are drawing, that should be true in each and every case. Now some books are blacks. So books, this is black, 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 black. Now you can very well see there are again various conditions. So some books are black. It is not always true. In this case it is true. In this case it is true. In this case it is not true. In this case it is not true. Right? So some books are black. It's not always true. So some papers are not black. This is the only conclusion that is true once for all. So only one follows. Now here in this problem, some doors are windows. Doors, windows. All windows are black. All windows are black. Okay. Some black are brown. Now there are various possibilities of this. Just draw. Some black are brown. Now this is black. Some black are brown. This maybe. This maybe. This. Okay. Now the first conclusion, some windows are brown. So this window and this brown. So we have the three possibilities for brown, and all the three possibilities of brown are matching with windows. That means in all the three cases some portion of window and brown is common. Right? No, in this case it is not there. So just for hold it. All doors are black. All the doors are black. No, we cannot say that. Doors and this black. So some of the portion of door and black is common, but it's not necessary that all the doors are black. Some doors are black. Some doors and black. Yeah, that's true. No window is brown. Window and brown. Now let's see the option. No window is brown. That's there in this case. So we have this. Some doors are black. That's absolutely true. And this option B, either 1 or 4. That means some windows are brown or no window is brown. So this or this may be true, because in this case, in these cases some window are brown is true, and in this case no window is brown is true. So some windows are brown or no window is brown. Either of them is true, but 3 is necessarily true. Some doors are black, that is necessarily true. So this is option B. I hope you are clear. Now this one, all teachers are doctors. Teachers, doctors, all doctors are engineers. Very simple. Engineers, and all engineers are typists. So this is typist. Now let's see. Some typists are teachers. I just write typist over here. Now let's see. Some typists are teachers. This is typist, and teachers teachers a portion is there. So some typists are teachers. That's correct, because we have the complete circle of teachers under typists. So some typists are definitely teachers. All doctors are typists. This is the circle of typist, and the circle of doctor is inside the circle of typist. So all doctors are typists. That is also correct. Some engineers are teachers. So this is the circle of engineers, and this is the circle of teachers. So some of engineers are definitely teachers. That is also correct. All doctors are teachers. All doctors are teachers. That is not necessary, because all the teachers are doctor, but all the doctors are teachers. That's not necessary, because this is a possibility and this is also a possibility. Teachers, this is teacher, this is doctor. The circle are overlapping each other, but both the possibilities are there. So we cannot be so sure that all doctors are teachers, right? So first, second and third, the three are true. So we don't have any option which is showing that to conclusion 1, 2 and 3, all of them are true. Okay, so it's none of these. I hope you are clear. Now this one, some boys are girls. Boys, girls. No men are cycles. Okay, all girls are men. All girls are men. I draw that. Now, no men are cycles. So we have various possibilities. Either this is the situation or this is the situation. Okay, now let's see. Some boys are men. Boys, men. So it's true. Some boys are men. We can very well see that. Some boys are cycles. So in this case, some boys are cycles, but in this case, boys and cycles are not connected, right? That there is no common portion between boys and cycles. So this statement is not always true. This conclusion is not always true, right? Some boys are not cycles. So this is always true. See, in both the cases, some boys are definitely not cycles. In this case, all the boys are not cycles. In this case, some of the boys are not cycles. But if we combine them, some boys are not cycles. That is true once for all. Right? Some boys are not cycles. That's true. No cycle is a girl. So, yeah. In both the cases, if we even see this case or this case, there is no relation between, there is no common portion between girl and cycle, right? So no cycle is girl, that's true even with both the situations. Okay, so first, third and fourth is true. First, third and fourth. Okay, now here some birds are mangoes. Birds, mangoes. No duck is a parrot. Okay, all mangoes are ducks. Draw that. All mangoes are ducks. Okay, then the third one, no duck is a parrot. So this may be the scene or this may be the scene. Okay, now check the conclusions. Some birds are ducks. Birds and ducks, we have this common portion, so that's true. Some ducks are mangoes. Yes, this set of mangoes is coming inside the circle of ducks. So some ducks are mangoes. That is perfectly true. No parrot is a duck. Now, if you take this case or this case, there is no common portion between duck and parrot, right? Duck, parrot. Here nothing is common. Duck, parrot, nothing is common, right? So that is also true once for all. It's already given. Some birds are not parrots. Birds and not parrots. See, there are two types of statements. Some birds are parrots and some birds are not parrots. We judge both of them. Some birds are parrots. See, there is a difference between these two, right? Some birds are parrots. It's not true because it's true in this case, but it's not true in this case, right? So it is not always true. Okay, but some birds are not parrot. That is true once for all. Okay, because if we take this case or this case, we have the portion, this portion, that is some birds are not parrots, and in this case also all the birds are not parrots. That means at least some birds are not parrots. That means some birds are not parrots. It is true in any case, either this or this. Okay, so it's true. So all the four are true. But if we discuss about some birds are parrots, it is false. It's not true. Okay, be very clear about some birds are not parrots and some birds are parrots. Okay, so all the four are true. I hope you are getting me. Now this one. Some cups are pots. Cups, pots. Some pots are vessels. So we have two possibilities. Vessels or vessels. The difference between these two, we have the common portion between cup, pots and vessels. In this case, we just have the common portion between pots and vessels, right? So now the next is all vessels are drums. So further we have two possibilities, this or this. All vessels are drums. Okay, now let's see. Some cups are vessels. Cups and vessels, that is this green and this purple. See, it's true in this case, but it's not true in this case. We cannot see the common portion between cups and vessels in this case, right? So some cups are vessels may or may not be true. So we cannot draw this conclusion, right? Because it's not true in both the cases. some pots are drums. Now pots and drums, if we take this case, then also pots and drums we have some common portion, and if we take this case, then also pots and drums we have some common portion. So some pots are drums, it's always true, right? Some cups are drums. If we take this case, cups and drums, we have this common portion, but if we take this case, cup and drums, we don't have any common portion. So this conclusion is not necessarily to be true. No pot is drum. Pot is, see, we have the common portion between pot and drum in both the cases. Pot, drum, pot and drum, right? So no pot is drum, that's false. Okay? So we have only conclusion 2 is true, so only 2 follows. I hope you are getting me. Now we do this. Some novels are epics. Novels, epics. All epics are dramas. All epics are dramas. Then no drama is a book. So we have two possibilities for that. Either this or this. Okay? No drama is a book. Now let's see the conclusion. Some dramas are novels. So drama and novels, we have some common portion. This green one is drama, so this brown one is novel. So there is some common portion between novel and drama. So some dramas are novels, that's true. No novel is a book. See, in this case, no novel is a book, that's true, but in this case, some novel are books. So it's not necessarily true once for all. Okay? So we are not sure about it. Some novels are not books. Again, the same thing. Some novels are books, that we are not sure. Some novels are books. We are not sure of this because in this case some novels are books, but in this case some novels are not books, right? But some novels are not books, that is true in both the cases. Okay, whether you take this case or this case. Some novels are not books, that is a complementary of this, so that's always true. Okay, no book is a drama. Now this is drama, and no drama is a book, so no book is a drama. That will always be correct. You can see over here in this case also there is nothing common between drama and book, and in this case nothing is common between drama and book. So first, third and fourth, these three are true. Okay, now this one, some motors are books. Motors, books. Then some scooters are motors. So we have two possibilities. Some scooters are motors. So this may be the possibility, or this may be the possibility. Okay. All girls are scooters. So further we have two possibilities. In fact, more than two. This may be the situation. This may be the situation. Then intersection may be there, here and here. Okay, so various possibility are there of all girls are scooters. Okay, I don't draw all the possibilities. Let's check the options. Some girls are motors. So girl and motors, do we have the common portion? See, if we check up the various possibilities, always it is not happening that some girls are motors. Girls, motors, in this case we don't have the common portion between girls and motors, so it is not always true. Some girls are books. Some girls are books, and we have here no girl is book, right? So these two are complementary sentences. Either of them is true, either this or this. Both of them simultaneously cannot be true, right? Second or fourth, then we check up. Some scooters are girls. See, in every case some portion between girl and scooter is common, so some scooters are girl, that's perfectly true. So third is always true, but either of second and fourth is true, right? because these two are complementary to each other. So some girls are books, no girl is a book. Second or fourth. Third is definitely true. This is wrong because one is definitely wrong. We have this option. Okay, second or fourth, the one of them, and third definitely true. Okay, now this one, all books are pens. This is book, this is pen. Some boys are books. So let's draw that. Boys and books. Two possibilities are there. This or this. Okay. In this case, boys, the circle of boys is coming inside the circle of pen, and in this case some portion is outside the circle of pen, right? So you understand the difference between the two. Now, no pen is a pencil. That means pen and pencil, both of them are disjoint sets. Okay, so this is the possibility, pencil, or this is the possibility. Okay, no pen is a pencil. In both the cases, no pen is a pencil. Now let's check up the conclusions. The first one, some pens are boys. So we have common portion between pen and boy in this case and this case. So that's definitely true. Some books are pencils. Books and pencils. This is book and pencil. So some books are pencils. It is wrong. Books and pencils, they are disjoint sets. Okay. No book is a pencil. That's true in both the cases. We don't have any common portion between books and pencils in both the cases. So that's true. Some boys are not pencils. So either we talk about this or this. Some boys are definitely not pencils. That's definitely true. Some boys are pencils if the state conclusion is some boys are pencils, then it is definitely false. Okay, because some boys are pencils, it is not true in this case, and it's true only in this case, right? But some boys are not pencil, it is true in both the cases. In this case, all the boys are not pencils. In this case, some of the boys are definitely not pencils. So some boys are not pencils, that is true in both the cases. So it is always true, right? So first, third and fourth. First, third and fourth. Okay? So friends, I hope you might have enjoyed the session. In the next session, we'll be taking some more problems based on syllogisms. Be very particular, clear about this one, right? That is the only difficult portion that we have handled in this session. Otherwise, the remaining things are quite easy, I hope. So in the next session, we'll be taking more problems based on syllogisms. Bye-bye.